Now, let's focus on how to learn English at home and the things that you must do to successfully learn English fast sitting at home. How to learn English fast at home. Improving English fluency rapidly from the comfort of your home is achievable with dedication, consistency, and a strategic approach. Improving English fluency rapidly from the comfort of your home is achievable with dedication, consistency, and a strategic approach. Here are the tips and tricks to learn spoken English fast at home. Number 1, set clear goals. Decide what aspects of English you want to improve. There are many things to improve in English: speaking, listening, reading, writing, grammar, vocabulary, pronunciation, etc. Set achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals and make an onerous effort to achieve your goals. Number 2, immerse yourself in English. To learn English, you must surround yourself with English as much as possible. So, to surround yourself with English, you can watch English movies, TV shows, and videos. You can listen to English podcasts, music, and radio. You can read English books, articles, and newspapers.